Hi, my name is Norman Drangshow from the Sea Dog line, and today we're going to show a new product that we just brought in, and it's a motion-activated sensor. This is an item that allows you a lot of different things. You could be on board, get up in the middle of the night, you got to go use the head. You can have the sensor set so it goes on so you're not going to trip, fall, get a little bit better visibility on the boat. Same thing for your cockpit. Great thing to have coming on board, carrying groceries, cockpit light coming on. You can go 15 feet in front of you. Again, and the width angle is 120 degrees. It's preset at 70. We've turned it on 10 seconds. It also does 20 and 50 seconds. It's got an IP rating of 67, so there's a lot of different places you could put this. It has a range of 12 to 30 volts, maximum of only 2 amps, but today with all of our LED lights, more than enough. And you can also have it switched so that at night, flip it on at night so it's available to come on. Again, brand new product we've got coming out. You can see all of our new products at sea-dog.com. Safe boating out there. Thank you.